Hi. We have been discussing about digital approach to curriculum design and implementation, and we've talked about different tools for curriculum design. So, in regards to the project we are working on, so I want to give you a quick rundown of how you can be able to use the Google Docs, to get many of you that have not started. So, once you have to do is, of course, I believe each and every one of you have a Google account. So just go to your search bar and click on Google Docs. If you're using your phone or whatever you are using, your phone, your laptop, just click on Google Docs. And once you do that, it brings you to this. So this is where you're going to click, or you go to docs.google.com. So once you do that, you click that, it's going to take you to this point right away. Yeah, this point is where you just like your Microsoft Word interface, but this is cloud based, and all you have to do once you click that, it opens up to this space. And of course, you have to first log in with your Gmail. So if you are not logged in, if you don't have an account with Gmail, you have to create that first. So in case you've not got an account with Gmail and you don't know how to do that, just drop on the comment section if you want to learn how to do that, and we can make a video for you. So next thing you do is to click on start a new document, blank document. So use a blank document, right? So when you click on blank document, then it's opening. Now remember, we've talked about the aims, talk about the contents, and now I've actually gathered some contents I want to use. And also you must have known how many weeks you're going to take, the curriculum is going to take. And of course, remember, each and every one of you is collaborating on the same uh, document. So having said that, let's see. So the document just loaded. So this document, and all you just need to do is to come here. You can put the title of the document. So what I'm going to work is, I'm working on Google Docs. Let's say Google Docs training curriculum. Now remember, as I said in class, the first thing you do after creating this document is to add other collaborators. So to add other collaborators, if we quickly go to share, you can copy this link and send to them. So once you click on copy, you copy the link and send to them. That means anybody with the link can actually have access and collaborate on this document. Or you can click on share. When you hit the share button, then what you can do here is you can add their emails, and want to add their email. So under post, you can put a notification. I am inviting you to be a collaborator, and I'm ready to collaborate with me on this project. So automatically this is the message the person is going to see. So you hit on share. So you can also set if you want the person to be only a viewer, but because you guys are working together and you guys will be working on different sections of the curriculum, so what you do is to click on editor, right? So and you click send. So automatically the access will be granted to that email. A message will also be sent to that, and once you do that, the person already have access to that point. So Then the next thing you do is to have the Google um, uh, training. So I said the first thing remember I asked you I already have some things copied down. So the thing I'm doing here is to first of all the name of that's your training curriculum. Then the next is the name and the reg number of the contributors, and the next thing I talked about is the course overview. We should already have something copied down here, so you can I'll pick my course overview, just like even though you're working on your phone, you can highlight this and change it back to this, the bold and the unbold. So I have my course overview for this course. These are the list of the contributors. This is the title of the curriculum I'm working. Now remember, I sent a message to so let me go to that other account. I sent a message to let's see, let's let it open up, and let's go to the email so that we can actually see if that person can actually contribute to that work. So as it is loading, so you've already seen how I've started off. So the first I need the name, I need your names of the contributors, and so on. So if you already have the picture of your training, if you have already made your Canva picture, you can insert it here, but I'll be talking about that later. So if you are seeing this video, any aspect that is, drop a comment immediately. I'm going to make a video to that effect. This particular email is still loading. Let's see. So I already have my audience for the curriculum. The goal, I've already gone with my first curriculum. So this my audience, and this my so this my outline for module 1. I prefer to call mine week 1. This is what I will this is the week objective. So you don't miss this thing with the general objective. This place you see goal here, this goal here is representing the general objective of this curriculum, what it intends to achieve. So okay, I think this is loaded. It's loaded. So let's go to my inbox. Good. Tada. You see I have been invited, and it says that the document I'll share. So if you're a team member, this is the kind of message you will see from your team leader. So you see what I thought, I am inviting you to collaborate with me on this project. So all you just need to do is you've seen the updated work, so you can open on that. Once you click open, once it opens, let's say you will be adding module 2. Maybe you're going to put module 2. Once you click open, network is a bit slow, you're going to see where we stopped, and of course you see that I can come down and put the module 2. So if you check up here, you see 2 people collaborating, and you see these 2 people collaborating. And if you scroll down, of course you see what I just inserted here. It's even showing the cursor, meaning that someone, so even though you are working at the same time, you can always see an information showing that 2 of you are working together. So if you have any question or comment, please put it on